Hello and welcome to Dave 2.0. Today it's a beautiful day and I want to take advantage of the weather and install a new door sweep here. It's an aluminum blade with a rubber bottom on it. It's going to go underneath our front door here. So there's a pretty good gap underneath here. And the idea would be obviously to just replace this. There was an older one here before. Long gone. The gap is not quite uniform all the way along either. So it's going to be a little tricky to get this to seal at an angle in the right location. So we'll try it out. First thing we'll have to do is get the length right. Take this out. It says the whole thing's 41.2 millimeters. Screws included, instructions on back. Measure door width, shorten sweep if needed, place the product so the sweep flexes against the threshold, mark hole locations, then drill and screw into place. So measuring the door width. Now do we want it to, we don't want it to go any further than the door, but the rubber may if we want to fill up a gap, but I don't really want this to be any further than the door. But just to see, let's close it up here. Yeah, it can't get any further. Okay, go down there, buddy. Go. Get out of here. We're going to take it from the end here. Just put a mark on this other end. Toys in my pocket from last year. Just going to use a real cheap straight edge. Mark myself off a little bit of a line to follow. This is crimped right in there. Got our little flat file here. So we'll cut it right up to this line here. Leave a little extra. So the way we have it right now, we'd have to come down a bit there, and it's dragging over here. That's what you want. You want it to be just scraping. And there still is lots of door behind it, so we'll be able to grab that with the screw. And if anything over here, where it's scraping a little bit more, we might have to trim some off, but I don't think so. There. Oh, there's a dog in the way. Starters. Right size drill, which is a little smaller. Kind of close to the edge. Nice screws. This is embarrassing. Look at this. Look at that piece of junk. Here's a quick look at the tools we used. File drill, didn't even use the impact screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, scissors, pencil, a saw, some bits, drills. We'll see how it's looking here. So there's still a bit of a gap. I'm use this rubber right here as a spacer in a couple spots. Keep this thing straight. One there, one over here. And we're going to call that done. Well, thanks for watching.